Hi there, I'm Scott Francis, Editor-in-Chief of Composites World. I'm here at JEC World 2025 in Paris. I'm here in front of the Massivit 10,000G additive manufacturing machine. We're here to talk a little bit about the use of additive manufacturing to create molds for composite tooling. I'm here with Avi Cohen, Global Vice President for Sales and Marketing for Massivit, and Patrick Norclair, Composite Project Manager for Sika. They're here to tell us a bit about how this technology works and the kinds of parts that can ultimately be produced. So Avi, tell me about the kinds of applications and industries that this solution is designed for.
Absolutely. The Massivit 10,000 technology here demonstrates that JEC capabilities for mold for carbon fibers, fiberglass, reaction injection moldings, and many more. And in addition to that, it serves a variety of industries from automotive, defense, railways, sporting goods, and even consumer goods.
So how does the technology and the associated workflows differ from traditional composites tooling?
Well, unlike the traditional methods where they take a block and mill it and cut it, a subtractive way, in the SIM technology, cast in motion, we are building the mold in a digital way and printing only the mold that is needed. It's from the same old good known high quality materials of Sika, so instead of milling a big block, you are simply printing the mold that you need with the same materials.
So how does the system's cast in motion technology differ from other additive manufacturing technologies that we see here at JEC World?
Well, that's an excellent question, because in this technology we are not printing the part like other technologies and having limited with materials that cannot be printed. We are technically printing an outer shell of the part, and during the printing of the shell we are casting inside materials. This allows us to cast materials that cannot be printed. That includes aluminum particles, different viscosities, and all the Sika materials, which are high performance material that cannot even be printed.
So, Patrick, a question for you. How does additive manufacturing fit in with Sika's vision and its contributions in the market?
Sika has developed for all over the years blocks and various resin systems to produce tools, models, parts, and also adhesives. And this technology is really a new way of developing toolings with less scraps, for example. So it's good for the future to be more efficient. And that's how we came to a collaboration between the two companies.
Which industries do you see these solutions really serving the market's needs?
So obviously not the boat industry, because there are two large parts, but everything that is, I would say, below 1 cubic meter can be served with this technology, including railway and all other industrial sectors.
So let's talk a little bit about the applications and the range of solutions that these co-developed materials offer.
So currently there are 3 systems corresponding to 3 industrial sectors. One system is room temperature, the second system is resisting to medium temperatures, and the third system is for very elevated temperatures to be used with prepregs, for example, for aerospace applications. So with the existing range of products, there are several applications. One that is mineral filled can correspond to room temperature applications. The 2 other ones that are aluminum filled can be used at 120 and 220 degrees C, which is corresponding to various technologies of prepregs and infusion systems.
Tell us just a little bit about Sika's latest developments for these markets.
So about this co-development with Massivit, we have several systems, like bio-based infusion system to produce large composite parts, and we have also new adhesive systems to bond these composite parts.
So you have several applications, molds, and components on display here at JEC. Can you talk a little bit about what we're looking at?
Definitely. Everything you see here at JEC, at Massivit and Sika booth is a real customer parts. They are coming from various industries. Many of them are automotive, some of them are sporting goods, That is also a growing market. Others are belong to aerospace and defense, like drone parts that you will see, and even a motorbike that was completely 3D printed, all of it with Massivit technology. In addition to that, we have our parts from our customer in Italy, Innovation Tech, that was honoring us with some new models of it from luxury cars that they are making with using our molds. So all in all, like I said, every model that you see in this booth is a real life model from a real customer and a real application.
So if customers want to learn more, how should they reach out to you?
Simply, they can go to Massivit website. Definitely, they can see everything that is over there, or contact each one of us. We will be more than happy to meet, to explain, to teach, and to support any of questions that they may have.
For more composites news, industry trends and innovations, as well as more from JEC World, stay tuned to compositesworld.com.